Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto Intel channel. Today we'll look back at the initial success of HBAR's DeFi platform at the BID Miami conference. Before we start the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click the bell icon so you can always stay up to date on what's happening in the market. It takes you literally a second, but for me it's motivation to improve the quality and level of the videos on the channel. We have a lot to discuss, so let's get started right away. As of May 9th, 2026, the HBAR coin continues to trade in a crucial zone, where the market is literally preparing for the next strong move. In recent weeks, the price has remained in a state of prolonged consolidation, while volatility has gradually decreased. Such periods rarely last long in the crypto market. Typically, such phases are followed by either an aggressive upward breakout or a strong downward sell-off. HBAR is currently holding around 9 cents. This has been the central battleground between buyers and sellers for several months. The most important thing now is that the market continues to hold support around $0.088 to $0.09. As long as this area remains under buyer control, a recovery remains likely. Looking at the chart structure globally, HBAR is still within a large sideways trend. After a sharp decline from the highs at the beginning of the year, the asset has yet to fully return to sustainable growth. However, there is an important point. Selling pressure is gradually waning. This is evident by the declining volumes during declines. The market is no longer showing the same selling aggression it saw several months ago. Currently, the main resistance remains the 0.10 to 0.101 range. This level has consistently halted any upward movement since the beginning of 2026. The price has approached this zone several times, but each time it was firmly rejected. Therefore, 10 cents can now be considered the key level for the entire future movement of the HBAR. If buyers manage to consolidate above 10 cents on increased volume, the market could very quickly move to the next target in the 0.11 to 0.12 range. This range is currently considered by many traders as the main medium-term target for the bullish scenario. However, until a breakout occurs, the market remains in a zone of uncertainty. Now, regarding the indicators, the RSI on the daily time frame remains neutral. In various analytical models, it is approximately in the 40 to 49 range. This means that the HBAR is currently neither overbought nor deeply oversold. It is as if the market is accumulating energy before the next move. The MACD remains weak. In many patterns, the indicator still shows bearish pressure. This explains why buyers are yet to develop full momentum. Each rally quickly slows because the market hasn't yet received sufficient volume. The situation with the Bollinger Bands looks interesting. The price has been moving within a narrowing range for a long time. Typically, such a contraction indicates that the market is preparing for a sharp surge in volatility. The longer the accumulation continues, the stronger the subsequent move will typically be. It's also important to understand that the HBAR is currently highly dependent on the overall state of the crypto market. Bitcoin remains the main driver for most altcoins. While Bitcoin is in uncertainty, the HBAR isn't gaining enough strength for a full reversal. However, if the market re-enters the risk-on phase, the HBAR could show a very sharp acceleration, as the asset has been under pressure for a long time. Fundamentally, the project continues to look stronger than many altcoins. Hedera remains one of the few blockchain projects actively collaborating with the corporate sector. In 2026, the market also responded positively to news of more lenient regulation and growing institutional interest in the Hedera ecosystem. Discussions surrounding ETFs and institutional products related to HBAR generated additional attention. Now let's examine two main scenarios. The first scenario is bullish. If HBAR holds support at 0.088 to 0.09 and breaks through 0.10 in volume, then the path to $0.11 to $0.12 opens. In the event of a strong alt season, the price could even accelerate to $0.15 to $0.16 as early as the summer of 2026. Some long-term models even foresee a return to the 0.20 to 0.22 range, but for this to happen, the market will need a full-scale influx of capital into altcoins. The second scenario is bearish. If support at 0.088 is lost, the market could very quickly fall to 0.08, and if pressure increases across the crypto market, the HBAR could even test 0.075 to $0.07. This zone is currently considered the last serious defense for buyers. To summarize, the HBAR is currently at one of the most important points in recent months. The market is extremely compressed, volatility is falling, and the price has been holding near key support for a long time. These areas typically mark the start of a major move. The key level to watch is $0.10. While the price remains below this level, the market remains neutral. However, a breakout of this zone could completely change market sentiment and trigger a new phase of growth. What your plans, hopes, and expectations are for it. The best and most engaging comment will be featured in the next video. Just a reminder, friends, informational and news videos are posted on the channel every day, so you won't get bored here. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're always up to date on all the latest news. And if you liked this video, please support me with a like. Your like is my motivation. Thanks to everyone for watching and see you next time.